Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So Volkswagen Touareg 3-litre TDI V6 BlueMotion Tech R-Line Tiptronic, so automatic 4-wheel drive, Euro 6 ULEZ compliant, start-stop. Beautiful metallic grey. You can see it's got the upgraded 21-inch alloy wheels. This car's done 54,000 miles. Has very good service history, which I will list in the description. So you can see metallic grey, got daytime LED running lights, front park sensors, headlamp washers, those beautiful big 21-inch freshly repowder coated alloy wheels, matching premium Pirelli Scorpion tyres. Lovely. R-line, so got the black diffuser and the nice shaped tailpipes, BlueMotion Tech TDI. You can see the privacy glass aluminium roof rails. 54,000 miles, remember, low mileage. So black leather suede, got the electric seats, got the comfort pack and the electric memory pack on the driver's door. I like these sporty R-line seats with the suede sides and the leather centres, comfortable and really grippy. Obviously panoramic glass sunroof, front panel tilts and slides, electronic sunshade to block the sun out if it gets too much. You can see the memories for the seats on the top of that door panel there. Multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. Heated leather steering wheel, sat-nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth music playback via the BT music player. Heated seat buttons down there. Automatic, obviously, 4-wheel drive. It is Euro 6 ULEZ compliant. It's got hill hold assist and an electric handbrake. Super clean in the back. We do have the fitted mats for this car. Parcel shelves there as well, and it has the space saver spare wheel. Power tailgate. And have folding mirrors as well, obviously. BlueMotion technology. Oh, I'll open the boot for you in a second. Again, this side freshly repowder coated 21-inch alloys, shod with Pirelli Scorpion tyres. Looks like recent front disc brakes and brake pads. Just pull the boot for the button for the power tailgate. There you go. Electric tailgate. There's the close button. Parcel shelf. Nice and clean in there. Electronic folding second row seats. There's the buttons. Under here, space saver spare wheel, jack, wheel brace, etc., and the tank for the AdBlue should you need to fill it up. Press that button and the tailgate will close. £18,595 on a 2015. 18,595 for the Touareg 3-litre TDI R-Line. So those are the electric memory seat buttons, folding mirrors, electric windows, that's your tailgate release, automatic headlamps, multifunction steering wheel, cruise controls over there. Has done 54,300 and something miles, 54,300. Panoramic roof, no wear to the driver's seat to speak of. Very nice car this. 18,595, drives beautifully. Touaregs do drive well. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, our website, to see our other vehicles in stock. We probably will have more than one Touareg. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will be one of the first people in the country to know every time we upload a fresh car into stock. You'll get a notification. As I say, you'll be the first person or one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.